"Oh, Anna," he cries out loudly as he finds his release. Holding me in place as he pours himself into me. He collapses, panting hard beside me, and he pulls himself on top of me and buries his face in my hair, holding me close. "Oh, baby," he breathes. "Welcome to my world."
Standing in front of me again, he hooks his fingers into my panties and, at a most unhurried pace, peels them down my legs, stripping me agonizingly slowly so that he ends up kneeling in front of me.
His voice is so soft, menacing, and it's damned hot. My insides practically contort with potent, needy, liquid desire.
He gazes at me, waiting, eyes blazing. Tentatively, I uncurl my legs. Should I run? This is it. Our relationship hangs in the balance, right here, right now. Do I let him do this, or do I say no, and then that's it?
Because I know it will be over if I say no.
Do it, my inner goddess pleads with me.
A slow, wicked grin spreads across his face. Good. And before my eyes, he suddenly changes. He's harder, intractable, hot. This is dominant, Christian.
I bite my lip. "Oh, fuck the paperwork," he growls. He lunges at me, pushing me against the wall of the elevator. Before I know it, he's got both of my hands in one of his, in a vice-like grip above my head, and he's pinning me to the wall using his hips. Holy shit!
His shirt hanging out, his grey eyes bold and dazzling. He steps out of his Converse shoes and reaches down and takes his socks off individually. Christian Grey's feet. Wow. What is it about naked feet? Turning, he gazes at me, his expression soft. "I assume you're not on the pill."
Not taking his eyes off mine, he scrunches my panties into his hand, holds them up to his nose, and inhales deeply. Holy fuck, did he just do that?
Christian re-enters the room. I can't look him in the eye. I stare down at my hands. "I found some baby oil. Let me rub it into your behind." "What?" "No, I'll be fine." "Anastasia," he warns, and I want to roll my eyes, but quickly stop myself. I stand facing the bed. Sitting beside me, he gently pulls my sweatpants down again. Up and down like a whore's drawers, my subconscious remarks bitterly. In my head, I tell her where to go.
He holds out his hand, and in his palm are two shiny silver balls, linked with thick black thread. "These are new," he says emphatically.
Uncoiling from the floor, rising lazily like a jungle cat, he points the end of the riding crop at my navel, leisurely circling it, tantalizing me.
At the touch of the leather, I quiver and gasp. He walks around me again, trading the crop around the middle of my body. On his second circuit, he suddenly flicks the crop.
Flicks is a terrible word.
And it hits me underneath my behind, against my sex.
Against my sex? Huh?
Oh, for the love of all that's holy. I'm panting, afraid, turned on, blood pounding through my body, my legs like jelly. Slowly I crawl over to him, until I'm beside him. "Good girl," he murmurs. "Now stand up."
I'm not reading anymore. Not reading that next line. Not reading that one. And then it ends. It's just over. Okay. Feels...
Ride me sideways, that was another one.